15 out of 200. We're asked to change this to a percent. So first, what we need to do is represent this as a fraction. 15 out of 200 is the same as 15 200ths. Now that we have a fraction, we can change it to a decimal, and then from a decimal we can change it to a percent. So let's change this to a decimal by using our calculator. We want to first enter into our calculator 15 200ths. Remember, you enter this in going from the top to bottom. It's 15 fraction bar 200. Do you remember which button is the fraction bar? It's this one right here, ABC. So 15 ABC 200. Now that we've entered our fraction, we're going to use the F to D button. This is the fraction to decimal button, and it is right here. It's actually right above that button in green, so we have to click the second button first. So 15 over 200, and then second F to D equals, and it'll tell us that this is the same as 0.075. Now that we have a decimal, there's two different ways you can go about changing it to a percent on this test. First, we can just move the decimal. You take that decimal point and you move it to the right 1, 2. So now it's 7.5, and just put the percent symbol on it. The other way you can do it is use the choices. So for example, if choice A is 75%, and I'm wondering, is that the same as 0.075? I can use my calculator. I can just put in 75 and then the percent, which is right here above this button in green. So 75, second percent button, and it's going to say 75%. And then when I click equals, it'll tell me what it equals as a decimal, 0.75. So I know my answer is not A, so then I move on to choice B. If choice B is 7.5%, I can put 7.5 and then again second percent, and that'll show up here. And then when I click equals, it'll tell me 0.075. And so that confirms the answer is B.